First time eating cereal. Here we go.
Alright, let's put it on your lip. Oh, I don't need your help. What do you think? What do you think of that? I don't need your help. Oh yeah, she was ready. She has no problems with her tongue.
Is that good? Is that good?
Is that yummy? Look at me. Don't look at Daddy, look at Mommy.
Cereal.
You're such a ham. Look over here. Mama's got the cereal. What do you think? You want to make it a little thicker? Just a little bit thicker? Want to try it?
Hurry up.
Is that delicious? No funny faces from you, huh, girl? You're all about it.